Hey, spooky stitchers. I've got 3 Halloween crochet spinner patterns that'll make your hooks dance. 2 are totally free on my website, Dracula and Ghost. And the third? I'm showing it off right here. A gloriously gross crocheted eyeball eye. It's weird, it's wiggly, and it works up in under an hour using just scraps. Perfect for last-minute decor or creepy costume flair. Let's spin some spooky magic. The materials you will need are scraps of white, blue, black, and red yarn, and a size H hook. Let's begin. With red yarn, chain 22. Slip stitch in the second chain from the hook and single crochet in each of the remaining 20 chains. Chain 1 and turn. Make 2 half double crochets in the first stitch and in each of the next 12 stitches. Make 2 single crochets in the next stitch 5 times. Slip stitch in the next stitch and turn. Skip the slip stitch and slip stitch in the next stitch. Make 3 single crochets in the next stitch 5 times. Make 3 half double crochets in the next stitch 5 times. Make 3 double crochets in the next stitch 22 times. Join to the first chain made, and turn. Chain 8 for a hanger and slip stitch back into the next stitch on the spinner. End off and weave in your end. Roll the piece in one direction to create the spiral and set aside. To begin the head, make a magic circle with your white yarn and chain 2. Make 12 double crochets in the circle and join to the beginning double crochet with a slip stitch. Do not tighten the magic loop all the way. Round 2. Chain 2 and make 2 double crochets in each stitch around. Join to the top of the beginning double crochet with a slip stitch. Round 3. Chain 2 and double crochet in each of the 24 stitches around. Join to the top of the beginning double crochet with a slip stitch. Round 4. Chain 2 and double crochet the next 2 stitches together. Do this around. You will only have 12 doubles crochets at the end of this round. Join to the top of the beginning double crochet with a slip stitch. Round 5. Single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Single crochet the next 2 stitches together. Repeat these 2 steps around. At the end of the round, you should have 9 single crochets. Join to the beginning single crochet with a slip stitch. End off and weave in only this end. Leave the magic circle tail. Next we will make the pupil and the iris. With black, make a magic circle and chain 1 to secure. Chain 1 and make 6 single crochets in the ring. Join to the first single crochet made and tighten the ring. End off black. Attach blue in any stitch from the last round and chain 1. Make 2 single crochets in each stitch around for a total of 12 stitches. Join to the beginning single crochet with a slip stitch. For the next round, chain 1 and single crochet in the next stitch, and then make 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Repeat these 2 steps around. At the end of the round, you will have made 18 stitches. End off leaving a long tail. I like to make an invisible join on this round. To make an invisible join, do not slip stitch into the next stitch. Thread your darning needle with the tail. Skip the next stitch and insert your needle under the top 2 loops of the next stitch. Do not draw tightly, but do insert your needle back through the middle of the last stitch you made. Pull the yarn until it looks like a stitch. Flatten your eye and place the pupil and iris between the top and the opening. Pin and sew in place. To make the veins, separate a 20-inch piece of the 4-ply red into 1 ply. Thread a needle and randomly create creepy veins over the white of the eye. Now grab your red spiral and insert the hanger through the opening on the eye where you began the magic circle. Pull the hanger through and tighten that beginning magic circle.
Tuck the end into the eye.
Pull the piece over the beginning portion of the spiral neatly. Take small amounts of fiber fill and stuff the eye lightly. When you are finished, hot glue the opening of the eye lightly to the spiral. I hope you liked this video and would like to see more. So please hit the like button and follow me for more free tutorials. Likewise for the Dracula and the Ghost Spinners, visit my webpage where I offer them free with ads. Thanks for watching.